Hello and welcome dear viewers to ProMonk, your ultimate hub for the latest mobile showcases, unboxings, and reviews. Glowing star. Today, we are diving deep into the stylish and premium Motorola mobile that you see right here. Just take a closer look at how beautifully it is displayed. Resting on its original box, placed perfectly on a glass table, and connected with its charger. This is not just a mobile phone. It is a statement of elegance and modern design. On the front side, the phone looks absolutely stunning with its bright screen turned on. You can clearly see the colorful app icons, the clock, and notifications that make the display come alive. It shows the practical beauty of Motorola's interface, simple, yet powerful. Now, when we move to the back side, the story becomes even more interesting. The glossy finish reflects light beautifully, giving it a premium touch, while the stylish camera design adds that perfect modern look. Camera with flash sparkles. To make this showcase even more special, we have added some decorative elements, flowers, greenery, and soft lighting that highlight the phone's elegance. Together, this creates a setup that feels premium, professional, and eye-catching. Cherry Blossom. Motorola has always been a name of trust, durability, and innovation. This model continues that legacy, proving once again that Motorola is not just competing in the smartphone market, it is excelling. Whether you are someone who loves gaming, photography, or just wants a reliable daily companion, this mobile has something for everyone. Now, dear friends, if you are enjoying this video, we invite you to become a part of our growing family here at ProMonk. Light bulb by simply hitting the subscribe button, you support us in bringing more amazing showcases, reviews, and unboxings directly to you. Every like, every share, and every subscription means the world to us. So, don't wait. Click subscribe right now, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned for more amazing tech content, and remember, your next favorite phone might just be in our next video. Rocket Cell Phone.